Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you how to change screen time on Windows 11 in easy way. So let's get started. So firstly go to Start menu. Here you will search for Settings. Tap to open it. Now go to System. Here you will go to Power and Battery. Open Screen and Sleep. Here you will see Screen, Sleep and Hibernate Timeouts. Click on it. Scroll down. Here we will see screen sleep and hibernation timeouts plugged in. Turn my screen off after. From there you can select the timing like 5 minute, 10 minute, 15, 20, 25 and so on. I will selecting 5 minutes. Then make my sleep device sleep after. Here we will set for 3 minutes. They both are changed. You may see separate options for battery power and plugged in, especially if you are using a laptop. That's it. This is how you can easily change screen time on Windows 11. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple Windows tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.